Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how you can create your own website within 5 minutes. Like I created my website digitcrafter.com. I am going to share with you everything. The hosting company I am using, my domain registrar, and the theme I am using on my website. So you can create your own website like mine digitcrafter.com. Not only this, I will also select 5 people who will comment on my video and will give them access to my other digital services that are worth $300. If you want to get my free services, please watch this complete video till the end and follow up with me. Hi everyone, my name is Zubair from digitcrafter.com. If you want to watch more videos about digital marketing, affiliate marketing, making money online, and much more, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button on this video so that I can make more and more videos on this topic. Before I begin, let me explain you. Whenever you want to create your website or blog online, you need something called web hosting. Maybe some of you know what is web hosting, but I am just explaining it for the beginners who don't know what is web hosting. So simply, web hosting is getting your website files like WordPress and put it on online server so that other people can access your website publicly. Very simple. Now you have the information what is web hosting. The next step is how you can choose a best web hosting server. Here you need to know that when you are going to start your website, you have two options mainly. The first option is VPS servers. VPS server is where you host your own website. So you can have full access, full manageability, higher performance, and almost cheap price for VPS server. Option number 2 for the web hosting is shared hosting. In shared hosting, your server where your website is hosted, the same server is shared with other websites. Now, if you follow me, you know that I don't recommend shared hosting. I prefer VPS hosting. Why VPS server? As I have already told you, you have full control over it. The most interesting thing about VPS server is you can host multiple websites on a single server. Whereas in shared hosting, you can host only one website on shared server. Now you may be thinking, I am not a technical guy. I don't know stuff about VPS hosting. I will show you how you can create your VPS server within 2 minutes. Anyway, it is up to you. Either you want to use shared hosting like Hostinger, SiteGround or HostGator, or you want to go with VPS hosting. You can also use Contabo. But if you want to go with shared hosting, HostGator, SiteGround or Hostinger, it is your choice. If you go to Contabo, you can see that they are providing VPS hosting only for 4.5 euro, which is a very good option because a shared hosting normally starts from $3, $4 or $5. In case you select Contabo, to help you for this, I have published a detailed article about how to install WordPress on Contabo. By the way, just for beginners, what is WordPress? WordPress is a software that provides the environment for your website. It is a content management system. If you go to my website digitcrafter.com, you can see that my website is also developed on WordPress. You can see the top bar here. These options are related to WordPress. This menu relates to the WordPress. You can also see the WordPress logo here. So my website digitcrafter.com is also built on WordPress. Now let's get back to Cloudways, where we shall get a VPS server and host WordPress website on it. And by the way, you can find link of Cloudways in my video description. Use this link and you can have access to Cloudways for 3 days without any charges. So you can test your server and their paid features without any cost. But if you want to go with shared hosting, any shared hosting like Hostinger, HostGator, SiteGround, it is your choice. You can go for shared hosting from $2 or $3, but I am using for this video a VPS hosting, that is Cloudways. And if you go to their pricing page, you can see they are providing VPS hosting starting from $11. Now let's get back to Cloudways and sign in to get a VPS server. Now I am in my Cloudways dashboard, and here I am going to select a VPS server. I am going with DigitalOcean, but it is your choice. You can go with AWS or Google Cloud Platform, but AWS and Google Cloud Platforms are little expensive. Now the very first step you need to select here, you need to choose application, which in our case is WordPress. As you can see, we already have here WordPress version 6.2.2. Okay, it is okay. Now next you need to select the server. I am going with DigitalOcean, and here you can select the server size. If you are just starting your website, you need to go with 1 GB server. That is enough. Select 1 GB and now go next to select your server location. What is the server location? It depends on where you belong from. You need to select the server location nearest to your region. As an example, I am selecting here New York. Okay, recheck your all settings. Oh, by the way, we have missed some information. Give it an application name. In my case, you can enter here Learn with Zubair. Enter your server name, project name. You can provide these project information according to your need. Recheck all the settings and click on Launch Now button. By the way, you can see they are charging $11 per month for 1 GB VPS server. So in my experience, it is not expensive. You will get a lot of features in $11 when you join Cloudways. I will show you step by step what are the features that you can get in $11 VPS hosting. Now I am going to launch my server. You can see here it is going to add our server. Okay, it will take a little time, approximately in 7 minutes. You can see it is so simple. Within a couple of minutes we have configured our VPS server. Okay friends, you can see we have our own server. Now click on it. You can see we have our server with 1 GB RAM, 25 GB disk storage, and this IP address, and the VPS company is DigitalOcean. Now you may be thinking, why do you need Cloudways if you can manage your server directly on DigitalOcean, AWS and Google Cloud? Let me explain you here that managing your server on Cloudways save you a lot of time, like managing your backups, managing your securities, setting up your domains, SSL certificates. You can manage all these settings with one click on Cloudways. But if you go directly to DigitalOcean, AWS, you need to be technical guy. If you know how to use commands and know about Linux, you can then manage your own server directly on DigitalOcean and other cloud platforms. But I don't suggest to directly use these cloud platforms, because for me time is very important. So I am focused to save time so that I can easily manage my websites on Cloudways. Now the next step is to connect your domain, to map your domain with your server IP. You can see here you have your own IP address. This is your server IP address. Please write it down. We need it later. Now I am taking you to my domain page where I will explain how you can connect your domain to your server. In my case, I am using Namecheap, but you can go for others like GoDaddy, domain.com or name.com. They all provide very good services, but I like Namecheap because I can have full access to my domain management services. But if you want to go with other, they also provide DNS management services. Okay, here I recommend and suggest you not to go for cheap domain providers because they don't provide full DNS management for your domain. From Namecheap you can get a domain from $2 or $3 or maximum $5 for the first year. You can find links of all these domain registrars in the description below. Now let me show you how you can map your domain with your server. Here is my domain page and I am going to search with my domain Learn with Zubair. Click on Manage and click on Advanced DNS. Now here you need to enter some configurations for your server. I am going back to my server and copy this public IP address, which is your server IP address. Copy it, go back to your domain management page and click on Add New Record. Click on it and select a record. In host you need to enter @ and here in value you need to enter IP address of your server and click on this check icon. Now here we have entered our A record and you need to enter another record which is CNAME. Click on CNAME and here you need to enter under host www and here we need to enter our domain name, which is in my case Learn with Zubair, and click on check icon. Why do you need to enter CNAME record? Because if someone tries to access your website with www version of your website, it will redirect your website to non-www version, which in my case is Learn with Zubair. Now you can see we have mapped our domain with our server. Let me explain you here that mapping your domain with your server takes time. It may take 1 hour, 2 hours or maybe 24 hours. I will get back as soon as my domain is mapped. Okay friends, our domain is successfully mapped with our server. How you can check it? You can go to a website supersitetools.com and search here for website IP finder. By the way, this is my own website supersitetools.com. You can use it free of cost. I have published many small SEO tools on this supersitetools.com. As soon as you click on website IP finder, it will take you to this page. Enter your website address here and click on submit button. You can see learnwithzubair.com is mapped with this IP and the ISP is DigitalOcean. You can see how simple it is. We have mapped our domain within a couple of minutes with our server IP address. Now next we need to configure some settings in our server like SSL, domain management and backup, etc. For this, please go back to your server and select applications. Here you will find your application name. By the way, I have told you at the start of this video that you can add multiple websites on a single server. So if you need to add more than one applications, you can add from here. You can add WordPress, Laravel, Magento, whatever you need to add here. Now let's go to our application Learn with Zubair and configure some settings here. Now here we will configure our domain settings. Click on domain management and add your domain here. My domain is learnwithzubair.com and click on add. Now here you need to add your www version of your domain. Click on add domain and enter your www version of your domain. Click on add domain. You can see your primary domain address is different from your main domain. You need to set your primary domain, in my case learnwithzubair.com. Click on these dots here and click on make primary. Do you want to set learnwithzubair.com as primary domain? Yes, we want. Click on set as primary. You can see we have configured our primary domain learnwithzubair.com. To check if our domain is properly mapped with our server, access your website in a new tab. As you can see, we have our website, WordPress website here. So simple. Only one step is remaining, which is SSL. You can see here with our website address, it has marked as not secure. Okay. Next, we are going to install SSL certificate for our website. You need to go back to your application settings, and here under application management you can find the option SSL certificate. Click on it, and here you need to enter your email address. For example, in my case it is info@digitcrafter.com and the domain here is learnwithzubair.com. Also your www version of your domain, www.learnwithzubair.com, and click on install certificate. Within a couple of minutes it will install SSL certificate for your website without any cost. You can see we have configured our SSL certificate for our website. Now to check it, get back to your website and refresh the page to check if SSL certificate is correctly installed. Now you can see we have a lock icon here, which means our SSL certificate is installed for the website learnwithzubair.com. If I click on this lock icon, you can see that our website connection is secure. So the visitors can access to our website without any hesitation. If you don't have SSL certificate for your website, it is not good for your SEO and your visitors feel insecure visiting to your website. Now you can see that within very short time we have our domain, our server, our website. Now the next step is you need to install a theme for your website, and I am going to show you how you can create a beautiful website like mine, digitcrafter.com. Now access to your WordPress dashboard, go back to your application settings and click on access details. Here you will see your website URL, admin page URL, your username and password. Okay, click on this arrow and it will take you to your WordPress dashboard login page. Here you need to enter your login information, your username or email address. Click on it, and here is the password, and click on login. Okay friends, here we have our dashboard for our WordPress website. Now to use theme for your WordPress website, you have two options. Number one is you can buy a premium theme, or you can go with a free theme. For my website, I am using paid theme, which I bought from themeforest.net. If you go to themeforest.net, you see here if we go to WordPress, we have a long list of different categories. You can get theme for your website related to any category. Let me show you my theme which I bought from themeforest.net. Its name is EVBot, and click on search. Its price is $65, but believe me, it is an amazing theme. You can go for another theme, it is your choice. But why I chose this theme? Because it relates to my category. As you know that my website category relates to digital marketing, SEO and affiliate marketing, etc. So I selected this theme for my WordPress website. You can see it has 5.3k sales, which is 5,300 sales. And this theme provides hundreds of demo content for your website. I will show you how you can install this theme in your website and get a beautiful look of your website. If you want to get this theme, I have given the link of this theme in my video description. But if you want to go with free theme, I recommend to use Cadence theme. Let me show you how you can get the Cadence theme. If you go to my website digitcrafter.com, I have a complete review about a Cadence theme. You can get A to Z information about this theme, like its pros and cons, its benefits, its pricing and everything. If you want to use free theme, this Cadence theme is the best choice for you. It provides all basic features to create your website or blog. But in this video, I am going to use my premium theme which I bought from themeforest.net. Now let's get back to WordPress dashboard and install my premium theme. Go to Appearance, click on Themes and click on Add New button. Click on Upload Theme. Click on Choose File. I am going to select my WordPress theme installation folder. Click on Theme and click on EVBot and click on Install. Here we are. You can see we have installed our theme successfully. And now we need to activate our theme. Click on Activate and your theme is activated. Let me show you how it looks on your website. So here we are. You see you have a blog website similar to mine. To have website exactly like my website digitcrafter.com, you need to configure some settings for your website, like you need to create menus, you need to create some blog posts so that it can look like my website. Let me show you how you can configure menus and blog posts on your website. For this we go back to our WordPress dashboard and click on all posts. Here you can add any post to your blog. For example, I am going to add a post with the title How to Make Money with Affiliate Marketing, and under the title you can add your article content. Like if you go to my website, you can see any post. For example, this post. If I open this post, you see this is my blog post. Okay, you can create similar blog posts on your website. And on the right side, you can configure post items. You can assign category to your post. You can assign featured image here. Here you can assign featured image. If you need image like my post here, this is featured image, this is featured image, this is featured image. Okay, let me show you how it works. Click on this, upload any featured image. For example, I am going to add here this featured image. Okay, click on set featured image and click on publish. Now this post is published and click on view post to see how it looks. You can see here we have a blog post that is similar to my page. You can configure your blog page settings here. Let me show you. If you go to this customize button here, it will take you to your website customization settings. Okay, you can set your site identity, colors, background image, menus, widgets, homepage settings. You see how easy it is to set up a WordPress website. I have guided you how you can get a VPS server, how you can get a domain, connect and map your domain with your VPS server, and how you can install a theme on your WordPress website. Now there are a couple of other things that you can apply to your website. If you go back to your WordPress theme, you can go to General tab where you can add your site name and a couple of other things. Other than General, we have different options here, like writing, reading, discussion and media settings, which you can configure according to your needs. The main important option which I need to explain is permalinks. What is permalink? If we go to our blog post, you can see in the address bar we have a long web address here for your blog post, which also mention numbers formats. So we want to change this permalink into short permalink. For this, go back to your WordPress dashboard and click on permalinks. Here you need to choose post name. Click on post name and click on save. And now if you go back to your blog post and click on refresh button, and now you can see that blog address format is changed. So don't forget to change this permalink setting for your WordPress website. We need to configure some additional plugins for our WordPress theme. So click on this begin installing plugins. Click on bulk action, click on install and click on apply, and here you can see all installations and activations have been completed. Now after activating the plugins, here we are on our dashboard and you can see here it is asking to verify the theme. Okay, we need to activate our WordPress theme. For this, click on register now, and here we need to enter the license code. If I go to my downloads page and go to click on download and click on license certificate and click on this. Here you need to copy your license code, copy it, paste your code here and click on activate. After activation, go to demo import. Here you can find many demo contents for your website. You can choose whatever you like. For example, I am going to choose home 10 here and click on import selected pages. Now if we go back to our pages, and here we are, if we go to home page and see how it looks like, here we are. This is our home page. You can see within very short time we have created a beautiful WordPress website. You can change its logo, its menu and other graphics, header and footer section in customization settings. Now let me show you how you can change its menu. This is the main menu. Okay, you can change this menu, add items in this menu. For this, we go back to our dashboard and here click on appearance, go to menus, and now you can add different pages or posts to your menu item. Okay, and click on add to my menu. Okay, you can see the 3 pages have been added in our menu section. Click on save menu and go back to your home page and click on refresh button. You see our menu is here. We have wishlist, my account and checkout in our menu. So this is the method you can use to add menu items on your homepage. Like blog post, you can also add pages to your website. For example, if you go to my website and if you go to here on the bottom, you can see I have different pages: my tools, privacy, refund terms, contact, about, and you can add different pages like this one on your WordPress website. For example, if we go to back to our pages section and add a new page, here click on add new page. Here we give it a name about us, and in the content you can mention about yourself. And if we publish this page, click on publish, view page, and you can see we have about us page here. Okay, with the menu items. Now you can see how easy it is to create website. I have explained you everything, how you can create website like mydigitcrafter.com, and you can apply my method to create your WordPress websites within few minutes. So friends, I have explained you how you can create your VPS server and how you can connect your domain with your server IP, and show you the method to install premium theme on your WordPress website. If you are facing any difficulty when creating your website or blog, please comment below. I shall be more than happy to provide my assistance. Okay friends, as I mentioned at the start of this video that I am going to choose 5 of you to get free access to my premium services, my premium softwares that are worth $300, but I am going to give you free access. What you need to do, go to the comments section, write a line, I want free access to your premium services within brackets, and I will choose 5 of you who can have free access to it. If you go to my website digitcrafter.com, you can see I have many projects listed there. Some of these projects are free, like Super Site Tools, Analyze SEO, ResizeImage.me, Mega File Sender. These are absolutely free to use. You can also use other websites, but these are not totally free. Like if you go to my website link.com, which is a URL shortening service, and similarly report-seo.com, which is a audit report generator. And the other site is AI Free Writer. AI Free Writer helps you to write blog posts faster with the help of ChatGPT. And the last, I have AI image generator that you can use to generate AI images. Now if you want to access these my premium services, please comment below and write in brackets that I want these premium services. Now I would like to finish my video here. I hope you have enjoyed my video. If you want to know more about digital marketing, affiliate marketing, making money online, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.